today we are going to begin with a new chapter. Before beginning the new chapter, I would like to say that any organization, a business organization or an enterprise which is there, it has a lot or many departments, okay, which work together to reach their ultimate goal, that is to earn profit. They communicate with each other, they do the work, in cooperation with each other, okay. And these departments, they differ in size. Every organization will have, they may have less departments, they may have more departments, but now things are getting better and better every day. Every department is specialized. Like a person who is an accountant, he goes to the accounts department. Who is in sales, he goes to the sales department. Who's good in marketing, who's good in research work. So the whole business is divided into parts, and they work together and to reach their ultimate goal, that is to earn profit. Okay, so we'll begin with the first department or first chapter, that is marketing and sales. Okay, and this is one of the important department of a business organization. Okay, now what we'll be doing, we'll be doing the objectives, meanings of marketing as well as sales, and also what is the difference between marketing and sales. So as I was talking about the different departments, let me show you a flow chart. How usually in a hierarchy, that is from the senior most to the worker, how does a organization work, right? Through a simple chart, I'll explain you, because each we are going to study one by one. Now we'll be studying each department, children. Like I told you, marketing. So what happens is, in the head are the board of directors. Then you have the chief executive, so what happens is, either you take the hierarchy from the bottom to top, or from top to bottom. The work goes on like this. There are the board of directors. They give instruction to the chief executive. The chief executive gives instruction to the marketing manager, production manager, finance manager, and personal manager. They're all divided into branches. They are divided into regions. Okay, all okay. Then they report to the regional marketing. Like in the marketing department, you have marketing manager, regional marketing manager. Then under him they are the salesmen. Okay, they are the last one. Then in production department, you have deputy manager purchase, deputy manager production, deputy purchasing assistant, foreman, clerk, workers, like that. Then in finance, you have controller of finance, administration office, accounts department clerks, superintendent clerks. So these are the hierarchy from top to bottom, where this, they are so properly organized in a business organization. So they all are specialized in their own work, okay, and they do the work and they give the results. So the orders pass from top to bottom, and the problems goes from workers to the board of directors. Okay, this is the way the organization works. I hope I'm clear with you all. So from today we'll be doing different chapters. So first we're going to start with marketing. Now what do you mean by marketing? Marketing is the process of converting prospective buyers into actual customers by communicating complete information of the product or services to the customer. The key element which are secrets to successful marketing practices are through market survey and research, framing a competitive strategy, designing a realistic marketing plan, and implementing different tactics to execute the plan. Actually, what is marketing? It is a process. There are people, like for example, if you are producing a product, like see, your product is, maybe your factory or your company has a production of shirts, okay, executive shirts. So now who are the potential customers, or who will buy? The people, those who are working in an office, because they are all executive shirts, white collar shirts which people are wearing. White collar people means that is a grade of people, those who are there, officers, those who are there. So that does not mean I'm talking about just white collar. White collar means the people, those who belong to that very category, officers category. So they all will buy. So my target will be that. So what I have to now convince in marketing, through that the salesperson convince the customers to buy the product. Okay, and this marketing, it has many practices they follow. They do market survey, they do research work, they find their competitors, they see what are the strategies which is being followed by them. So this all matters a lot. Okay, so this is what is, now let us see what are the objectives of marketing. Customer satisfaction, that is the most and the primary motive. If your customers are satisfied, they will buy more and more of your product, otherwise they will not, isn't it? Then consumer profitability. Every business is run for profit and goes on, and it keeps on going. And how does it go? It goes through marketing, right? Then building organizational goodwill. It portrays the product and the company's positive image in front of the customers, isn't it? So it builds, marketing helps to build a good positive goodwill. Goodwill means what? The reputation of an organization. Yeah. Then creates demand. It works for generating the demand for the products and services among the customers. They do advertisement and other stuff, so that it creates demand and the product is sold to the customer. Increases sales volume. It is rigorous process. It keeps on selling the product so that they can generate money, and with that money they can expand the business, they can further put it to the business. Okay, enhances product quality. Marketing initiatives, these customers, this marketing strategies, they do research work and they tries to increase enhances to increase the quality, make a better quality product. Okay, create time and place utility. It makes sure that products and services are available to customer whenever, wherever they need it. Like for example, if winter clothes are being made, then in the time of winter the product should be there. In the rainy season it should be there. So these are the objectives of marketing. Okay, in the next video we'll be talking about what is sales, what are the objectives of sales, and difference between sales and marketing, right? And in that video only I'll give you the questions related to this.